how to use your credit card to build your credit score. If you're thinking of getting a new credit card, it may feel like you need superpowers to choose the right one, let alone understand how to best use the credit card. Luckily, you don't need telepathy or the ability to time travel to use your credit card effectively. Just keep these 5 tips in mind. Number 1, choose the credit card that's best for you. Maybe you want a credit card that earns miles for travel or one with cashback. Just be sure to steer clear of cards with annual fees or high interest rates. Scott Credit Union offers credit cards with no annual fees, low interest rates, and great rewards. Number 2, pay your balance in full and on time. This will keep your wallet happy and give you a good credit score. But if you do get behind, don't let your credit score become the villain. Just make a plan and get back on track. Number 3, be sure you don't borrow too much money. Remember that your credit limit is your trusted sidekick, so keep your credit spending to under 30% of your available credit. Number 4, don't let your credit card gather dust. Use it. Once you've paid off your borrowed amount, you can use it again and again. This also builds your credit history and shows potential lenders your super financial prowess. And number 5, remember to diversify. Your credit card doesn't want to be a lone wolf. When you open up other lines of credit like auto loans or mortgages, you can increase your credit score. And if you're wondering why credit score is important, check out Scott Credit Union's video on why your credit score matters. Hope this helps, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips.